Arguably the best Vietnamese sandwich in the Bay Area. It's a hole-in-the-wall spot, one that I've never touched up on previously, and it's in the town, Oakland, California. What's up, travelheads? I'm out here in Oakland, California with Banh Mi Ba just right behind me. And yeah, I've tried many different Banh Mi sandwich in the Bay Area, but ain't nothing like Ba right here in Oakland, California. So let's get it. Located in International, Banh Mi Ba may look like it's in the hood, but it's known as one of the best Vietnamese sandwich in California. There's a variety of different desserts you can choose in the fridge, different type of to-go foods you can choose from. There's a whole selection of banh mi sandwiches that you can choose from. Can I get a number 2? And a number 19?
2 and 19?
Yeah, and an egg roll also.
Egg roll? How much?
Just one.
This one?
If you ever go on Yelp and if you type San Francisco Bay Area on your location, and if you type Vietnamese food, this place, Ba is number 2 on the list. It pops out number 2. And if you type Vietnamese sandwich or banh mi on it, or the location SF Bay Area, then this will pop out as number 1. Yeah, you gotta go try it out. Okay, so now we're here in Chinatown and I got my sandwich, and not just the sandwich, I actually have an egg roll and a Thai iced tea also. And the reason why I got this is what I normally get. So it's like a $4 sandwich, a 75-cent egg roll, and a $3 Thai tea, which equivalents to $7.75, and that's a whole meal. It gets me pretty filled. And today I'm joined by
David. Hey.
And yeah, what sandwich did you get?
Oh, I got number 5. It's the meatball sandwich.
Okay. So I'm gonna open this one up first, my number 2, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in it. So look at this crispy bread over here. As you can see right there's pate, and the combination of meat. You got jialu, ham, radish, carrot, and all these other cilantro, very important key in it. So yeah, I don't like cucumbers, so I won't be trying it with cucumber, but let's give it a try now. The pate is strong. That pepper on the little ham, you can taste it, that ham.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is the best. And why don't you try your sandwich out?
Oh yeah.
I think you need to take a bigger bite. You need to get more than pork, huh? How is it?
Really good. I like it because the meat is really soft and tender. It's very juicy, it's not dry.
And that's your go-to sandwich when you're out here, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, my go-to is normally the number 19, but if they don't have number 19, I would normally get number 2, the special, which is what most people get here. And that's a combination of meat in it, as you've seen earlier. So yeah, I want to take another bite. Oh yeah, this bite, a lot of cilantro in it to taste. But yeah, I love it. You need the pate in it. It really gives it even more of a colorful flavor into it. And now we got the egg roll. This egg roll, they have the best egg roll that I know of in California or even in America. Aside from Vietnam, you know, it really gives me a little reminiscent of Vietnam's egg roll. Ain't nothing like it, and it's so crispy. And just whatever's in there, I don't even know what's in it, it's just good. And now we're gonna try out our drinks. Of course, you know, Thai tea, and they even have the Bali label on it. And yeah, let's give it a try. Cheers to the best Vietnamese sandwich in the Bay Area and their drinks.
Yep. It's so good.
Tastes just like it. You know, they've been out of business for 2 months due to the pandemic, but now that they're back in business, nothing changed. You know, they haven't lost a beat or anything. It's just still delicious. Still my go-to sandwich place. I go there like every 3 weeks, sometime every week. If you want to cheap eat and stuff, this is the place to go to. It's also good. They have a parking lot just behind. And yeah, you know, I just want to say thank you for joining me on this, David. He's my housemate, so don't come here with that social distance thing, alright? We're in the same household. If you like what you've seen, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment below what video you would like me to make. And yeah, until then, travel heads.